try to weigh some of this stuff, maybe get a price on them. Alright, so we have our little scale here. I'm going to start with the wire. Let's cut all this wire and ribbon loose. Go. A few more snips and we'll be done. Almost done. Right, so we have a little brown board here, low grade green board, not much on there, some IC chips. These might have gold in them here. There's some tantalum capacitors. If you guys collect these. I used to, but I ended up stopping. Because at the time I was getting quite a bit for them, and then it just stopped. So this is the nice little board I was talking about that has gold in it. The pins here on the board, tantalum, IC chips. It's tiny board, so like there won't be much money in it, but every penny counts. And we got fan. We got all this wire here. So let's go on to board sort and see what some of this stuff's worth. Board. So we definitely have some low grade boards at currently they're at 15 cents a pound. Like you can see, we have 2.7